Our planet, a masterpiece in motion. From the highest mountains to the deepest seas, life unfolds in moments of pure wonder. Here, every heartbeat tells a story. The silent patience of a snow leopard in the Himalayas. The fierce determination of a lioness hunting for her pride. The delicate rhythm of coral reefs glowing beneath the waves. In each scene, nature reveals its brilliance, wild, raw, and breathtakingly beautiful. Through the lens of BBC Earth and the voice of Sir David Attenborough, we are reminded, this is not just a planet we live on. It's a living world we share, fragile yet extraordinary. From the smallest creature to the mightiest beast, every story is part of the grand symphony of life. Witness the magic and be inspired to protect it.